Rule number 1, start with gum. A full pack of gum in your mouth. Watch out for cars. Oh, if you drop your gum, just pick it up. It's still good. 5-second rule. Yeah, looks like we need a little maintenance here. So, rule number 2, put some good dirt on your wheel. Yep, that helps the wheel turn. Okay. Oh, what's that? Crack! Crack! All right. If it looks tricky, you might not want to do it. Nope, nope. Oh, well, it happens. Just pick up your gum, put it back in your mouth. But number 3, get back on your bike and ride. No snot rockets, please.